at the airport. They arrive at the gate and they start speaking together, excited.
This is so exciting! I'm so happy to be able to hang out together again, like old times, for this trip.
Luna smiles softly.
Yeah, of course, I feel the same way, but... Hey, Hannah, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just scared. I've never been on a plane.
No worries, I understand. Here, watch this video from Hexo.
The product we make at Hexel allows aircraft to be safer. It's structural, it does not fail. It allows aircraft to be safer today than the aluminum and rib structures that were part of the historical manufacturing process.
Simple parts made from honeycomb could take anywhere from a couple hours. Complex parts can take months to build. Time-consuming part of making honeycombs is actually processing and shaping it into whatever the aircraft component looks like.
At Hexel, we have a variety of materials that make up honeycomb, such as aluminum and paper, and they can also take different forms, such as squares, hexagons, or even shapes that resemble sombreros.
Honeycomb can be made out of anything from aluminum if it's metallic. For non-metallic, it can be made from paper, fiberglass, or even carbon fiber.
The company gives back to the community in a lot of different ways. There are always different donation drives going on or opportunities to give back. It's really our responsibility when we look at our community to give back.